Today's story is about Noah. Now let's go on a gentle dream story. Noah's day had been filled with the usual adventures of playing in his backyard, building little forts with sticks, and watching butterflies dance among the flowers. As the afternoon sun began to cast long, gentle shadows across the grass, Noah noticed something he'd never seen before. A small wooden door nestled between two rose bushes at the far end of the garden. "How curious!" Noah whispered softly, feeling a gentle warmth of curiosity spread through him. He approached the door slowly, his fingertips tracing the smooth wooden surface. It felt warm, like it had been basking in the sun all day. Noah took a slow, deep breath and turned the brass doorknob. It opened with a gentle sound, like the softest wind chime. Beyond the door stretched a path of smooth, round pebbles leading into a forest that certainly hadn't been there before. The trees swayed gently, as if breathing in and out, in and out. "Hello?" Noah called softly as he stepped through. The door closed behind him with a gentle click. The forest air felt warm against his skin and smelled of honeysuckle and pine. Soft, twinkling lights, like tiny stars, floated between the trees. "Welcome, Noah," came a gentle voice. Noah turned to see a squirrel with a fluffy tail sitting on a nearby branch. "We've been expecting you." Noah smiled with wonder. "You can talk. How do you know my name?" "The forest knows all who enter with kind hearts," the squirrel replied, its voice as soothing as a lullaby. "Follow the path. Someone needs your help." Noah walked along the pebbled path, his footsteps making a pleasant, rhythmic sound. Tap, 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 like a gentle heartbeat. He passed flowers that hummed soft melodies and streams that sparkled with tiny lights. As he ventured deeper into the forest, the trees parted to reveal a small clearing bathed in soft golden light. There, drinking from a shimmering stream, was a unicorn with a coat as white as freshly fallen snow. "Hello," Noah said softly.